Alright guys, thank you for joining me again. Today I'm going to be highlighting this model home by Newmark Home at Dunham Pointe here in Cypress, Texas. It's a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bathroom, 3-car garage, office space, and a game room. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, there you have it. So this builder is giving $70,000 in incentives and also $10,000 towards your closing costs. This is a very good neighborhood. You don't want to miss this. Again, my name is Wale Lawal. Let's connect. Let's see how we can help you move into your new home. You can find all my contact information in the description below. Thank you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.